Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiza Sheikh and you are watching the Faiza's learning class about new topic Alexander a Great Conqueror. आपको पता है अलेक्जेंडर की कहानी बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस पर्सन है। इसने बहुत सारे जो एरियाज़ को बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ को जो है ना वो कॉन्कर्ड किया है ना, फतह किया है। तो आज हम इस वीडियो में जो है इसकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ने जा रहे हैं पाकिस्तानी स्टडी के हवाले से। मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट दे वर आस्किंग मी अबाउट द पाकिस्तानी स्टडी। इट इज़ वन ऑफ द टिपिकल एंड डिफ़िकल्ट टॉपिक है ना। हिस्ट्री बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, बट मैं यहाँ पर जो है वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको जो है वो एक शॉर्ट स्टोरीज़ की सूरत में जो है वो कंप्लीट करवा रही हूँ, ताकि आप लोग जो है बआसानी से बहुत इजी तरीके से जो है अपना टास्क यानी अपना कंबाइंड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स को जो है वो मींस पास आउट कर लें। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ते हैं अलेक्जेंडर अ ग्रेट कॉन्कर। Over 2000 years ago there marched into this subcontinent a great warrior who is famous for his great victories in war. His name was Alexander. He is called Alexander the Great because he had made his small kingdom into a vast empire by conquering many other states. He belonged to a distant country named Greece. In the west, Greece was itself made up of several states. One of these states was Macedon. Alexander's father was the king of the Macedon. Buddha, as you know, was quiet and gentle as a child, but Alexander was active and restless right from childhood. His father had given him good education and trained him in all manly games and sports of the day. Early in his youth, therefore, Alexander became a good rider and sportsman. Now turn the page. One day his father received the gift of a fine horse. He called upon his best riders to try that horse, but the horse was very shy and restless, and it would not let anyone ride him. Alexander was then a young lad, but he got his father permission to try that horse. As soon as the young prince jumped on its back, the horse ran off and was soon out of sight. The king and his courtiers became alarmed. They feared that Alexander might be thrown down by that wild horse. An hour or so later, when young Alexander returned, the horse was completely tired. His father kissed him dearly. He asked him how he had managed to spirited horse. Alexander smiled and said, "Father, this horse was afraid of its own shadow. I turned it full face into the sun so that it would not see its own shadow. That is how I controlled it." Alexander was hardly 20 when his father died, and he became the young of Macedon. He was full of courage and ambition, and he wished to become master of the whole world. He first defeated the chieftain of the neighboring state and then decided to conquer other distant lands. He led the army against the chieftains of Asia Minor and forced them to recognize him as their overlord. Most of Asia Minor is now part of Turkey, which is our great Muslim brother country. From Asia Minor, the young conqueror turned to the Persia. It is to the east of the Asia Minor and it is now called Iran. Persia was then ruled by the king of Darius. Alexander was so apt in warfare that the defeated of the Darius is no time and conquered his kingdom. Next, he marched into Afghanistan, our next neighbor in the northwest. After crossing the mountains called Hindu Kush, he came down to our land now called Pakistan. Raja MP then ruled over Taxila, some 20 miles from Rawalpindi. He was weak and coward. He did not fight Alexander. Rather, he welcomed him as his guest. From there, Alexander came down to the Punjab. He arrived at the bank of the river Jhelum. Now turn the page and discuss the further. Raja Porus, who ruled over the land to the other sides of the river Jhelum, was a brave and bold ruler. He decided to fight against the invader. For some days, the two armies stood in readiness on either sides of the bank of the river Jhelum. Each side waited for its opponent to start the battle. One dark night, when it was raining heavily, Alexander led a handful of his daring soldiers and crossed the river Jhelum. He attacked Porus from the rear, though taken by the surprise. Porus fought hard till most of his soldiers were killed by the Alexander. He himself was badly wounded by the arrow and taken prisoner. The wounded Porus was brought before Alexander. Alexander said to Porus, "How would I treat you now that I have defeated you? As a king should treat a king," was the quick reply from proud Porus. Alexander was pleased with his brave answer. He gave Porus back his kingdom and made him his friend. Alexander continued his march further. He arrived at the river Beas in East Punjab. His soldiers now refused to go further. They had been away from their homes for a long time, and they longed to go back and meet their wives and children again. Like a good leader, Alexander agreed to return home. He came back to the river Jhelum, made a chain of boats, and sailed down to the great river. He reached a place near Hyderabad. There he founded a city and named it Patala. Alexander divided his army into two parts. He and himself led the other part into the Persia, now called Iran. From there he marched to Babylon, now called Iraq. In Babylon, Alexander fell ill with fever and soon after he died. He was barely 32 when death overtook him. Alexander was brave and bold in battle, but kind and merciful in victory. His career was short-lived, but his fame lives forever. So in this video, I told you about the story, little bit history about Alexander. He was the great conqueror and very brave and bold person. So वी नो दैट ही इज़ द एवर जो है मीन्स के very good person and merciful. He got the very merciful victory in his life. So that is very important topic, very important history of our country, our land. So that's why most of the student they were uh, asking me and telling me and मीन्स के दे वर आस्किंग मी अबाउट द अलेक्जेंडर के अलेक्जेंडर की स्टोरी और इसकी हिस्ट्री जो है वो हमें बताई जाए. अलेक्जेंडर हु वाज अलेक्जेंडर, व्हाट वाज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ हिज एंड के हाउ वाज इट्स हिज एन एरा. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई told you each and everything about the Alexander. So that is very important video for all of those students. They are going to appear in the combined competitive exams. तो इस वीडियो को जो है वो लाइक भी करना है, सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें और मुझे वीडियोस के कमेंट्स के थ्रू ज़रूर बताएं. कमेंट्स करके मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी. वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप मुझे कमेंट ज़रूर करना, अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करें और देन जो है वो सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें मेरा चैनल, बिकॉज़ इसमें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं वो टीच आउट किए जाएंगे. देन जो है कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो मेरे व्हाट्सएप का लिंक भी जो है वो मांग रहे हैं. बेसिकली यहाँ पे मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ. जिन स्टूडेंट्स की मैं क्लासेस लेती हूँ मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग में, CSS, PCS, PMS, आइल्स, इंग्लिश ग्रामर और स्पेशली गवर्नमेंट जॉब की प्रिपरेशन करवाती हूँ. तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप जो है बेसिकली उन लोगों के लिए हैं. अगर आप लोग को भी ज्वाइन करना है, प्रिपरेशन करना है तो मेरा नंबर नोट कर लें 0336180706. ठीक है. बाकी डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं अपने 2 लिंक सेंड कर दूँगी. एक है एग्ज़ाम सॉल्यूशन के नाम से, देन अदर जो है द इकरा एकेडमी के नाम से. ठीक है. वहाँ पर भी जो है मैं अपनी वीडियोज़ और मटेरियल अपलोड करती हूँ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.